Black and white photography is timeless. It has stood the test of time and will continue to be relevant in the future. In this video, I'm going to explain the history of black and white photography and how you can use it to get amazing pictures. Let's get into it. Don't forget, you can go to our website anytime and ask our AI system to instantly critique your pictures at www.theimageicon.com. Okay, thanks. Black and white photography emerged during the 19th century. One of the earliest forms of black and white photography is a process called daguerreotyping, which was invented in 1839 by French inventor Louis de. These were created by exposing a silver iodide-covered plate to light and then developing the image using chemicals. This produced a unique and detailed image that could be viewed by holding the plate up to a light source. Black and white photography remained popular throughout the 19th and 20th centuries. It was used by some of the most famous photographers in history, including Alfred Stieglitz, Ansel Adams, and Imogen Cunningham. Black and white continued to be used widely until the advent of color photography in the mid-20th century. However, with the advent of digital cameras, black and white has made a comeback in recent years. Photographers are using digital cameras and editing software to create stunning black and white images like never before. So, how do you use black and white photography? There are many ways to maximize the benefits of black and white. It can be used for its historical significance, its ability to create a sense of nostalgia, or its unique aesthetic. Black and white photography can also be used to create a sense of drama or impact in a photograph. By removing the distraction of color, black and white photography allows the viewer to focus on the subject matter and the photographer's intention. Additionally, black and white photography can be used to create a particular mood or atmosphere in a photograph. For example, black and white images can evoke a sense of mystery, suspense, or even horror. Black and white photography can also be used as an art form in itself. Many photographers experiment with black and white photography to create abstract or artistic images that push the boundaries of the medium. Here are some key tips and hints to help you maximize your black and white photography. Shoot in RAW format if possible. This will give you the most flexibility when it comes to editing your photos. Use a wide range of tones and values in your images. This will create a more interesting and dynamic photograph. Pay attention to the shapes and patterns in your images. These can add visual interest to your photos. Use leading lines to draw the viewer's eye to the subject. And don't be afraid to experiment. Try out different techniques and styles to find what works best for you. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe so you never miss an upload. Until next time, happy black and white photography.